Meaning of extirpation.
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 Extirpation. Extirpation refers to the complete eradication or elimination of a particular species from a specific geographic location, but not necessarily the entire planet. This may include intentional actions by humans such as hunting, habitat destruction, or introduction of competitors or predators, or natural causes such as disease outbreaks, changing environmental conditions or geological events. The result of extirpation is the removal of a species from its original habitat, which can lead to ecological imbalances, loss of biodiversity, and extinction in extreme cases. It is a serious threat to many endangered species around the world.